Hi, this is Aleksander in Revivo. Can you tell us a few words about Israel Championships?
This is the strongest Israel Championship that ever been. There are 16 Grandmasters. This is a very strong tournament. There's a good fight spirit, and especially impressed by the play of the Grandmaster Tamir Nabati and also Yevgeny Posny. It's a very good fight and very creative play. One of the most important and nice game that I saw, it was on the second round between Nathan Birenboim and Nabati, with a queen sacrifice and 2 pieces for a queen and a kind of study. Very nice game. They get very good condition, very good prices. They enjoyed the Akko to shop, to trip, and to make sport. A very nice tournament.
Hi Michael, how do you prepare with Italy against Avrukh and Aleksander to this game?
Well, I always enjoy playing tennis more than chess recently, and the weather is just ideal for such a long game, and well, I hope to play tennis again soon.
What the result was?
Well, the first set we won 6-0, the second one was tough enough, but we won 7-5 in the end.
Okay, after one game. How do you do in chess now in this tournament?
Well, the chess is less successful.
Sounds like it. You are chief arbiter. How it difficult for you to make this organization and to do your work?
It's not especially difficult. What's difficult is to get the good transmission of all internet games. We have them on ChessBase, on Play Chess, in the Israeli website of ICF, and in Jerus Chess website, and to get everything update on time. Now already we have the PGN files, the games themselves that everyone can see, everywhere in the world, and also all the result can be followed on chess result, performance, and so on. So I think we're on top.
A few words about your game.
Okay, from the opening I got what I wanted, but I couldn't remember anything, so I wasn't expecting this knight c6 line, really. Yeah, and I couldn't remember the right plan. I played some strange move, bishop g5, after which I didn't see what to do exactly after rook f e8. Because in some lines this bishop is hanging after a3, for example. Knight takes a3, b takes, queen takes c3, queen takes, bishop takes c3, and yeah, the e4 pawn is just hanging. So I played bishop e2, and okay, it was very complicated. At some point I had a big advantage, I believe, but I didn't play the right way, and in time trouble, yeah, I spoiled everything, probably. Okay, also in the end I had some advantage, just bishop against knight in the endgame. It was better for me, but I blundered something concrete. He just exchanged the pawns and it's drawn.
Okay, how it's going at Israel Championship?
Okay, I played some horrible games, but some were quite normal. I have nothing to complain about. I mean, the result, it's okay.
Okay, so you still have a chance to be a champion.
Okay, I'm just doing my job. I'm just playing. We'll see.
איתנו יוליה שוויגר מישראל. למה בחרת להשתתף בתחרות הזאת של האנשים, גברים ולא של הנשים?
כי אני ראיתי רשימה של הגברים שמשחקים ורמה שלהם, ובחרתי שיותר טוב להתכונן ולהשתפר אחרי משחקים איתם ולא עם אנשים, כי הם שחקנים מאוד חזקים, יותר חזקים מנשים.
זה אומר שהעדפת את זה במקום להיות אלופת הארץ בין הנשים, נכון?
אני לא יכולה לדעת אם הייתי אלופת הארץ, אבל בחרתי להתכונן.
אוקיי, איך עובר התחרות הכללי בשבילך?
לפי תוצאות לא כל כך, אבל טוב, אין מה לעשות, אני מתכוננת ומנסה להשתפר גם אחרי הפסדים.
Evgeny Postne, can you tell us about your game with Rothstein? Look, very interesting game.
Okay, I prepared this line with F4, which I didn't play before, and he spent a lot of time in the opening, and I think I got a clear advantage with an exchange for a pawn, but okay, it was difficult to win because he had a good blockade with a knight on e5, and then I was pushing too hard for a win, and in the second time control I was already lost because his passed pawns were very dangerous, but okay, in the end we both were very short on time and obviously were many mistakes, but draw was agreed. In the end I was already a bit lucky.
ספר קצת על המשחק.
היום היה לי, כמו גם במשחקים קודמים, היה לי משחק משוגע. אפשר להגיד שלא, היום ספציפית לא הלך לי כל כך טוב ההכנה וקיבלתי מצב לא טוב מהפתיחה, אבל ניסיתי להחזיק, בסופו של דבר אחרי כמה שעות הצלחתי.
אוקיי, איך עובר תחרות סך הכל?
תחרות מאוד מעניינת מבחינה אישית. יש לי הרבה מאוד משחקים מאוד מעניינים, גם יריבים קשים, לא, נחמד לשחק בתחרות כזה.
אתה חושב שיש לך עוד סיכוי?
סיכוי תמיד יש. השאלה למה?
למקום ראשון.
למקום ראשון יש סיכויים, אבל כמובן זה לא יהיה פשוט פה. כל היריבים שיש בתחרות הם חזקים בפני עצמם, וכל משחק הוא קשה מאוד.